Winter is coming. No, I'm not talking about the winter season, but the Salesforce Winter Release 2025. This year, Salesforce has brought some fantastic update that will make your life easier, especially if you are a Salesforce admin. Keep watching to know our top 10 picks. Today, I'll unveil the top 10 features from Salesforce Winter Release 2025 for admins. From enhanced visibility to powerful new customization tools, there's something for each one of you. Let's dive into it. For our number 1, we have the Dynamic Highlights panel. With just one click, you can enable dynamic forms and the highlights panel on mobile devices. This will give your users an adaptive experience based on the specific data they are watching. Isn't that cool? The second feature we have on the list is customizable record highlights. Now, admin can configure record highlights directly in the Lightning App Builder. You control exactly which information gets showcased for each record, letting the important fields pop right where users need them most. Third, we have conditional formatting. I know we all are tired of searching through endless fields. With the new conditional formatting feature, you can make records fields stand out based on specific criteria. Whether you need to highlight overdue opportunities or priority cases, it will be done. Number 4, we have enhanced list views. I'm sure all the Salesforce admins will love the improved list views for both standard and custom objects. Salesforce has optimized their performance as well, which means your users will experience faster loads time and no more waiting. The fifth feature is inline edit for user list view. Now you can manage all your users with the inline edits. With the help of this, you can find and modify multiple users records quickly, all within the same window for your enhanced user list view. Set new roles, permissions, or profiles without jumping between pages. Our sixth feature is custom report types. It has finally arrived. This opens up so many possibilities for report customization, allowing you to tailor your report formats to fit the needs of your organization. The new layout editor for report types offers more flexibility and makes it easier to manage custom fields and actions. The seventh feature will allow you to add calculated fields in reports. Reports are now more insightful, all thanks to Einstein Generative AI. You can now add calculated fields to your Lightning reports and it will give you deep insights without any extra effort. You just have to explain to Einstein what you need and it will generate a formula for you right in your reports. The eighth feature is Object Access Visibility. Admin can now see how object access is granted directly from the Object Manager. You can pinpoint exactly how users are granted access to specific objects. This feature will be a great help in streamlining security audits. On 9, we have User Access Summary page. Who doesn't love a summary of all your data? With the improved User Access Summary page, you get a complete snapshot of how permissions are assigned to each user. Now it's easier to track roles, profiles, and permission sets all in one place. The last but not the least feature is Permission Insights. Do you need to understand how specific permissions are assigned? Well, the new Permission Insight feature gives a breakdown of how each user is granted their permissions, whether it's through profile, roles, permission sets, or anything else. That's it for the top 10 Winter Releases 2025 features for admins. These updates are designed to increase productivity and give you more control over Salesforce customization and security. Make sure to explore these features and optimize your Salesforce environment. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel because we will reveal more features for developers soon. Thank you for watching.